In this guide, you will learn how to use ChatGPT Codex in iPhone. Let's get started. First, you need to set up Codex on your computer because the actual coding and processing happens there, not on the phone. First, navigate to ChatGPT, head over to the Codex section, install it. Once you have installed the Codex app, launch it. Now log in with the same ChatGPT account you use on your iPhone. Once inside the desktop Codex environment, make sure you have an active project or workspace running since Codex needs a working session to connect to mobile. After that, open ChatGPT app on your iPhone, go to Profile or Menu section and look for the Codex or Remote Access option. When you select it, your computer screen will usually show a QR code or a pairing prompt under something like Codex Mobile Connection. Scan that QR code using your iPhone and both devices will link together securely. After the connection is established, your iPhone specially becomes a remote control for Codex running on your desktop. You'll be able to see live project updates, code changes, logs, and task progress directly from your phone. From there, you can approve or reject code suggestions, send new instructions, switch between tasks, and monitor long running processes without needing to sit in front of your PC. However, the iPhone does not run the code itself, it only acts as a controller and viewer while the desktop handles execution. To keep everything working smoothly, both devices must stay logged into the same ChatGPT account and the Codex session must remain active on your PC. In simple terms, your iPhone works like a remote control and your computer does all the heavy coding work. And Codex acts as the system connecting everything in real time for seamless development on the go. That's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.